Hello, this is The Thinker. Today, I'm not just asking you to think, but to move with me. Through these Pilates exercises, we will bring our body and mind back together, breath and awareness. You don't need to be an expert, just be here. Take a deep breath. Let's start. This is your space, your time, a gift to get back to your center and remember that you are much more than your thoughts. Let's start with breathing. Lie down comfortably with your spine straight, hands on your stomach, close your eyes if you want. Breathe in through your nose, feel how your belly expands under your hand. Breathe out through your mouth, letting your belly go down and the tension melt away. Repeat this cycle many times at your own speed. Each breath is a wave that cleans your mind. Breathing well means remembering you are alive. It's the first step to coming back to yourself. Feel thankful for this simple act, for the air that keeps you going. Now, let's bring the movement to your spine. Get on your hands and knees, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Breathe in, arch your back and open your chest. That's the cow pose. Breathe out, round your back towards the ceiling. That's the cat pose. Flow between the two poses with the rhythm of your breath. Feel your spine stretch and become free, letting go of tension. Turn the movement into a dance, an active meditation. You are massaging your nervous system, letting go of what you no longer need to carry. Let your body guide you. Lie on your back, legs stretched out, arms behind you. Breathe in deeply, breathe out, and lift your arms to the sky, lifting your head and shoulders off the floor. Roll up one vertebra at a time until you're sitting up and bending forward. Let your head and neck relax, give in to the bend. Breathe in and slowly lower yourself, pressing your spine into the mat. Each time you go up, it's effort. Each time you go down, it's letting go and trusting. Repeat the movement, feeling how it becomes smoother. Lying on your back, bend your knees, feet on the floor, arms by your sides. Breathe in, breathe out, and slowly lift your hips, making a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Feel the strength in your legs and glutes, the openness in your hips. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then lower with control, one spine bone at a time. Each time you go up, it's about feeling strong. Each time you go down, it's about letting go. Repeat several times, building strength by being aware. You're building a bridge between your base and your heart. From all fours, bring your big toes together, spread your knees apart, and bring your bottom to your heels. Your body goes forward, your forehead on the floor, arms stretched out or by your sides. Give in to the pull of gravity, feel your back expand as you breathe in and let go as you breathe out. This is the child's pose, a safe place to rest and get your energy back. There's also strength in knowing when to give in and take care of yourself. Stay here as long as you need, listening to your breath. Sit comfortably with a long spine. Bring your arms back and interlace your fingers. Breathe in, stretch your arms, and open your chest forward and up. Feel the stretch in your chest and shoulders, the opening of your heart. Hold for a few breaths, then gently release. Feel the new space in your torso. Opening up is an act of bravery and trust. On all fours, move your hips in big, gentle circles. Close your eyes. Let yourself be guided by how it feels. Make circles in both directions, exploring how far you can move. This area holds feelings and stress. The circular movement helps let them go. Don't judge. Just watch and feel. Let the movement be your medicine. Lie on your side, head on your arm, body straight. Bend your knees, front hand for balance. Breathe in, breathe out, and lift your top leg, keeping your hips steady. Lower with control, feeling your side butt muscles work. Do this many times and then switch sides. Real strength comes from supporting yourself with gentleness and care. Lying on your back, hug your knees to your chest. Then open your arms out to the sides. With your knees bent, let them fall to one side as you breathe out. Keep your shoulders on the floor. Turn your head to the opposite side. Feel the twist all along your spine. Stay for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. Twists let go of tension and make you feel new again. You twist to let go and find a new way of looking at things. Stretch out your legs, arms by your sides, palms facing up, Savasana. Close your eyes, scan your body and relax each part with your exhale. Let go of controlling your breath. Let it flow naturally. There's nothing to do. Just be. This is your moment to come together and rest. In the quiet, true change happens. Allow yourself to simply be present in your body and breath. Stay here for a few minutes, enjoying your peace. You moved your body and opened up your inner paths. This is Pilates, and also a way of thinking in motion. If this experience helped you, please subscribe, comment, and share. To think is to move with awareness. Thank you for being there. See you next time. Every movement was a thought shown in the body. Every breath a statement of your presence. This was Carlos Alberto, the thinker.